welcome back to my channel. My name is Izzati. If you're new here, hi, my name is Izzati. I'm a beauty enthusiast. So in today's video we are reviewing a skincare product. So if you guys remember from my previous video, I did Get Ready With Me, and I also featured that one serum that I promised you guys that the full review will be coming up very soon. And here I am reviewing the product. It is the Kayman Beauty Skintella Repairing Serum. So in today's video, I will be reviewing the Skintella Repairing Serum by Kayman Beauty. I have been using it for a month because I received it on PR last month. Yeah, I received it as a PR last month, and I've been trying out and testing this serum for over a month, and I already have my opinion on it. So I thought I would like to share with you guys about this serum. Okay, before we start, I would like to introduce you guys to Kayman Beauty. Kayman Beauty is a local brand. It is from Malaysia. So this brand is actually quite popular. It's not quite, it is very popular among the youngsters, I must admit. So I found out about this brand through Twitter. So I've been using it for a year. Most of them are active on Twitter. I mean, most of the updates and the feedbacks of this brand are from Twitter, so that is how I found out about this brand. And I have used their coffee cleanser, love that one, and recently I just reused again their coffee soap cleanser. I am in love with that soap. And also they have an amazing Rosy Glow Essence. I have gone through, like, I'm almost gone, like the full bottle. I'm almost done with it because it helps my scars from my chickenpox. That essence is amazing. When I found that they are coming out with this Skintella Repairing Serum, I was like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try out their repairing serum. And then I was lucky enough that I received it as a PR, and also I'm one of the earliest person to testing this out. From Kayman website, you will get this box. So I received the serum inside this box. The serum is inside this box, and when you open it, you will receive their campaign card, and this is for their serum campaign, I believe. So here it is, my name on the card. I really love this kind of card. You know, I feel like very appreciated by the brand. And then you will receive this box. This is the box, and this is how it looks like. You will get like your address here, and also the ingredient and direction of use, which is very useful if you are new into skincare and all. So here is like the description of the serum. This side. So here's the stuff to show. When you take it out of the box, you will get this serum. So this serum comes in this quite heavy glass bottle. It is nicely weight, in my opinion. It has a cap and a pump, like when you guys can see here. Okay. The only thing, okay, I would say, in my opinion, I love the packaging. This is very aesthetically pleasing because, you know, black and gold, because it is Kayman trademark, I think. So I would recommend, if they were want to improve their packaging, maybe they can have like one side here like clear so that we can see the product inside. So maybe if we are out of the products, or maybe when we are almost out of the serum, we can see like how many left inside, because this is quite heavy, so it is quite hard for us to estimate, I mean, like, to know when this product is going to, if it's done or not. So here it is, the Skintella Repairing Serum. It is a highly concentrated premium serum with CENTELLA ASIATICA as the star ingredient. And this serum aims to repair and strengthen skin from within. So since I got this as a PR, so I received the press release, the product info here inside the box. I'm not sure if you guys are ordering this from the website, you will also get this info or not. I'm not positive on that, but let me read it for you. I will put it on screen if you find it boring. You will get 30 ml of product, and the product benefit. And here's the list of the product benefits. It helps to strengthen the natural protective barrier of the skin, optimizes skin repair and recovery, diminishes redness, inflammation and irritation, hydrates and brightens overall complexion. The serum also suitable for all skin types, especially trouble and damaged skin. Okay, they also listed here like 5 main ingredients of this serum. So the first one is the CENTELLA ASIATICA leaf extract. The second one is the BIFIDA ferment LYSATE, and the third one is the linoleic acid, which is omega-6, and the fourth one also a linoleic acid, but this time it is an omega-3. And the last one is IMPERATA CYLINDRICA root extract. Let me know if I pronounce it right or wrong, okay? I'm not a chemistry kind of person. So if you guys don't know, CENTELLA ASIATICA is like one of my favorite ingredients because I have sensitive skin. My skin is so red, especially around my nose area, underneath my nose, and also some part of my face. It's kind of like flare, like they are very red on my cheeks sometimes. And CENTELLA ASIATICA, if you guys don't know, in Malay we call it pegaga, extract pegaga. It helps to actually soothe and calm your redness or any irritation on your skin. So that is like one of my favorite ingredients in skincare. And this serum is focusing to help you repair your skin barrier, because I know you guys, I've been there than that. I'm 29 this year. You know, when we saw a celebrity or an influencer or any bloggers review a new skincare product, we get too excited to try without knowing like the purpose of that product, or without educate ourselves about that product. And sometimes it can be harsh on our skin. I remember when I was younger, I used to scrub my face like every day, like using that harsh physical scrub. I remember it was one of the famous teenagers brand. I use it every day, and I don't even wear moisturizer or sunscreen. I am gonna stop on the ingredient list because I'm no expert in that. But you guys can go to their website. They have a full explanation and how to use it and all. You guys can go to their website. They have like full information for this Skintella repair serum. It looks like. So I'm gonna omit here. This is how it looks like. It is a thick, concentrated gel-like serum. Most of the serum that I've used, they are very liquidy, but this time it is understandable because this serum is highly concentrated, like it says, and it is actually pretty easy to absorb into the skin. So I just pump it like one full palm. That is why, because I usually use one full palm to all over my face. This is just for the back of my hand, so I'm just gonna spread it anyway. So yeah, they are very easily absorbed into the skin. The tackiness level, in my opinion, it is too tacky. The tackiness level from 1 to 5, I would say 1.5. See, when it is fully absorbed, yeah, 1.5 from 1 to 5. So yeah, it is quite fast in absorbing into the skin. And how I like to use it, like right after I wash my face, I use the Kayman cold face cleanser, the soap one. Right after I wash, I will put it right away onto my skin because it absorbs pretty fast. Sometimes when I use essence, especially during the night, I will put their Rosado essence first on my face. Right after I wash my face also, I will put the essence, and when the essence is absorbed, I will put this Skintella repairing serum, and then I will move on to my other nighttime routine. There are actually a few ways for you to use this one. My favorite one is definitely put it all over my face as a spot treatment. If you guys noticed from my last video, I have this bad guy over here, and I like to use it as my spot treatment because when you have acne, it looks like inflammation on your skin. Your acne will look super red. Since I've testing this out for a full month, I noticed that like right after I do the spot treatment, usually I will do it at night, my acne kind of like shrink very fast. Like usually it would take around 2 to 3 weeks because this side is mostly hormonal acne. Before I have this Skintella Parent Serum, I have to use my acne patch for 2 to 3 days straight for it to shrink. So when I use this Skintella Parent Serum as a spot treatment, acne spot treatment, I noticed that the maximum that my acne will shrink is at least 2 days, and then it will become like this, like a you know, like these scars, but nothing actually active here. It's all flat scars on my face. So to remove it, you have to use their Rose Blue Essence because the essence contains alpha butenes, which help to brighten your any scars on your face. Now I'm going to show you a demonstration on how I use it during the day for this Skintella Parent Serum. So yeah, without further ado, let's do it. So yeah, that is how I use my Skintella Parent Serum. And if you guys are interested, don't forget to get it from Kayman Beauty. And you will get, this is, I forgot to share with you, this is a 30 ml repairing serum, highly concentrated, definitely worth your money. Retails for 69 ringgit, and you can get it from their stockist, their agent, or even from their website. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like my review on this serum. If I forgot anything, you guys, please ask me down below. And I think that's about it. Yeah, Thank you so much you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter if you guys want to. So yeah, thank you for watching you guys. Oh, before I forget, can we talk about my eye makeup? I mean like my whole face today. I'm gonna share with you. I'm using this dark cookie collection that I got last year. Love this one. See, the mattes are my favorite. Look at the dent here and there. And I also wearing the Breena Beauty Velvetcreme lip matte in Spice Latte on my lips. And on top of it, it is already gone. I'm using my Fenty Beauty Fuzzy Gloss Balm. Yeah, I will list it everything down below. So I think that is that, you guys. Yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.